Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Sorento SX X-Line. Finish here in Aruba green over black. Total price of $43,975. This one here features the 2.5 liter turbocharged motor, producing 227 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Might be 277, not 227. 277 sounds a bit more like it. But it's the same motor that will be in your K5 GT. This means it's mated to the 8-speed dual clutch transmission, which is pretty cool to have in a SUV like this. There's your 2.5. Aruba green looks absolutely beautiful. Panoramic sunroof. Nice ventilated seats. Digital display, of course. Couple different drive modes. You have Smart, Sport, Comfort, Eco, and Snow. We will be in Sport mode. Everything here nice and touch sensitive. Very, very, very nice 3-row vehicle. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. X-Line is a little bit higher off the ground than the normal one, and it's the top of the line for the Sorento. This 2.5 is a motor and a half. No V6 option in this generation of Sorento. You have 3 motor options: a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated inline 4, 2.5 turbo inline 4, and then a 1.6 turbo mated to a hybrid powertrain. So a good amount of options for all consumers. However, this is my favorite powertrain, has the most amount of power, and it really is pretty quick. Very, very torquey, and it's just overall a joy to drive. You can just see how much torque is there. If you're worried about the dual clutch burning up the clutches, it will not allow itself to do so. So in stop and go traffic, it's actually very, very easy to use. And I didn't know this was a dual clutch. Now, if you've driven a dual clutch, you know that that statement means a lot, because dual clutches tend to have a lot of different elements that all just make it a terrible experience for traffic and stuff like that. This is very much like a automatic torque converter automatic at lower speeds. But then it also has all the benefits of a dual clutch, where it's nice and quick with the shifts, and it's just awesome. I love it. We'll see here from a launch. Well, not like major launch. Do a hill start. holds itself on the hill. Doesn't do any bucking or anything like that. It is perfect. Now let's see if... Oh yeah, it will creep forward when you take your foot off the brake. Some dual clutches won't do that. So it's nice that they have it programmed to do with that. Over the bumps. Now I'll do it like a normal launch, that way we can get a little both. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.